Oh, jeez. Parkour. Parkour. Oh my gosh, how are you still alive? Sit down, boy. Thank you very much. I'll gladly take that. Oh yeah, bring that to me. Yup. Uh-oh. Got a player. He's building. Not enough though. Sorry. Another one. Wait. Where'd he go? I know I didn't build that. So, well, that's weird. Oh, wait, I take that back. That actually felt pretty good. Hey, yo! This would be feeling pretty good. Oh, you got a mammoth for me. I'm gonna take that. Alright. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh my god. Tell this game, bro. Yes. Give me that. Oh wait, give me the twin mag. Yeah, there we go. Boom! I have that too, bro. Boom! Oh man. Hold up. Boom! Hey, whoa, chill. Chill out. You know what? I'm just do you the hard way. Boom! Sit down! Just made you look ugly. Low key. Bang! Oh, that actually worked. Bang! Yo. This pistol was low-key made for me or something. Bang! Don't ever remove the mammoth pistol from the game, bro. Okay, wait, hold on. Alright, we're messing around too much. Lock in. Okay, lock in, bro. Lock in, bro. For. Bro, actually lock in, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm slacking. let's just hope the rest aren't sweats. Ah! Bro, like, that was not. Where is he? No! Where was he?